I've been asked a question by several other customers how to actually record the skeletal map output using the Kinect Studio. In fact, it's not actually possible to record the actual detail itself. For some reason it doesn't record that data, it just records the depth and the colour stream. So to get around that, on some PCs you can actually press Ctrl and G and it'll bring up the game center and you can start recording. Also you can use a camera like we are now, but the ideal solution is to visit a website called obsproject.com and it brings you to the OBS Studio. So as it suggests, this is a free open source software for recording and live streaming. So if you download the Windows version, once it's downloaded, then you can pin it to your start menu and you can open the relevant 62, 64 or 32-bit version to suit your machine. So we'll open the 32-bit version. So I'll just move a little bit close to the screen so you can see this. So once it's open, I want to pop down to sources, I want to press add, and we want to select Windows Capture. So we'll create a new Windows Capture. So in this little drop down window where it says window, you actually select the Kinect D2D app, which is already open and running in the background, so you have to make sure you do that. Well, that's actually the wrong screen, so there we go. So now you'll see a preview of the screen. So if I click OK, I now have the option to start streaming, so you'd have to set up some additional information to do that, or you can press start recording. So if we start recording, just move back and see I've got the skeletal data there. So I move back in towards the screen, I'll press stop recording and then simply go to file, show your recordings, and 2140, so that's the latest recording I've just done. And you'll see, I'll stop moving my mouth so you can see it's me. You can see that that's the information, nice high resolution that I've just recorded. Any questions, just drop us a comment, contact us on a Facebook page. Please subscribe to our channel, share and like. Thank you.